buffalo sauce and honey in a pan, reduce it a little, cover. If you need a quick and easy way to get in your protein for the day, these cheesy garlic chicken rolls are exactly what you're looking for. Believe it or not, each one of these packs 45 grams of protein and will keep you full of them for later. Let's get into it. To make the creamy high protein sauce, combine all of the things I'll put on the screen, blend them until smooth, and set aside for now. Next up, take out some diced chicken breast, season it until the color changes, and then cook it in a pan until all of the pieces are nice and golden brown. Now, let's build the filling with the cooked chicken, mozzarella, the sauce that we made, some fresh parsley, and mix until it looks just like this. Take out some low-calorie tortillas, make 10 rolls, and then add them to a baking sheet, spray with some oil, and bake with the directions on screen. Now just wrap them in aluminum foil, throw them in the freezer. At 60 grams of protein and only 550 calories, this Chipotle steak pasta will be one of your new favorite meal prep recipes. It's absolutely packed with flavor, is extremely easy to make, and tastes just as good as anything you would get in a restaurant. And this recipe will be in my new later. Let's get into it. To make the high protein pasta sauce, you'll combine cottage cheese, grated parmesan, tomato sauce, a few canned chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, garlic, and some fat-free milk. Give everything a nice blend until the sauce is completely smooth, then cover with plastic wrap and set aside. Now take out about 24 ounces of lean steak, dice it all up into cubes about an inch big, transfer them to a bowl, and season it all up with garlic salt and black pepper. Put the seasoned steak on a hot pan in small batches, cook on high heat for a few minutes on each side, then add in some light butter and give everything a good mix. You're going to cook 8 ounces of pasta, add it to a bowl along with the chipotle sauce we made earlier, and mix it up until the noodles are coated. Now all you have to do is top the pasta with the cooked steak and some fresh chives for color.